This Faceless YouTube channel is making up to $20,000 a month. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can create videos in the same hot niche as a complete beginner. We'll be using AI tools to do most of the work so that the whole process is automated. All you have to do is follow and repeat the process. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand and research the niche. So the niche we're focusing on today is kids' education. Parents are always looking for ways to keep their children entertained and also educated. Kids' education is quite an evergreen niche, which means that it's always going to be in demand. It doesn't depend on things like the economy or trends. That's why this niche works so well. But of course, kids' education is huge. Ideally, you want to pick a sub-niche. You can focus on toddlers or teens. You can pick geography, history, or STEM. You get the idea. Think of what you're most interested in or have a lot of knowledge in, as this will help you massively with running the channel. You can type in kids education in the YouTube search bar and see all of the videos and channels that come up so you have a good idea of what's popular. For the sake of today's tutorial, I'm going with the history for kids sub-niche. Step 2. Come up with video ideas. From the research that you do on YouTube, make notes of video ideas that come to your mind. If you need more help, you can use ChatGPT by typing in a prompt like this. Jot down all the video ideas you like, pick one, and then crack on with making the video. Step 3. Generate a fun, kid-friendly script. Our first task is coming up with a script that's both educational and easy for young kids to understand. For this, we'll be using ChatGPT again, which can create content based on any prompts we give it. Let's say we have a video idea on interesting facts about Egyptian mummies. We can give ChatGPT a prompt like this. This prompt will get ChatGPT to generate a script that's interactive and keeps kids engaged. Copy and paste this into a fresh Google Doc and add edits if you'd like to make it more human and fun. Step 2. Turn the script into a voiceover. Next, we'll need a voice to narrate the script. 11 Labs is great for this. It's an AI tool that creates high-quality voiceovers from text. Head over to 11 Labs and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click on Voices and listen to all the different options. You can type children in the search bar to hear more relevant voices for narrators, as well as characters and animation. Click Add to My Voices for the voice you like. Then, click on Text to Speech. Paste your script into the text box. Now, pick the voice you added to My Voices earlier. Then, click on Generate Speech. Listen to the voiceover to make sure it sounds natural and fun. If there's a line that doesn't sound quite right, go back and make quick adjustments to the text or try a different voice. When you're happy, download the audio file. Step 3. Design fun and engaging visuals. Alright, with the voiceover ready, we need some visuals to go along with it. Canva is perfect for this because it's easy to use and has tons of kid-friendly graphics. Let's create visuals that will teach kids about Egyptian mummies in a way that's bright, colorful, and keeps them interested. Open Canva and choose Video as the format. You can make everything from scratch, or on the left, where it says Search Video Templates, we can type in Egypt. I like the look of this one. We can use it as a starting point and change it. Now, we can change the text to match our video title and script. We can also delete the irrelevant images in the template video. Go on Elements, type in mummies, and add our own images. You want to keep doing this until you have all the main visuals for each part of your script. To make it animated, you just need to click on the image and click Animate. Then, you can add simple effects like bounce or pop. I recommend playing around with all the options here, so you can get a good idea of what you can do. Once you have all your slides designed and animated, download each slide as an MP4. This will give you video clips that you can piece together with the voiceover later. Step 4. Add a talking AI avatar with Adobe Express. This part is optional, but if you want to take it a step further, you can add a fun character to teach the kids. Adobe Express lets us create an animated talking avatar that syncs with the voiceover we just made. This gives your video a friendly guide who can introduce each section of the video and add personality to the content. Start by signing up to Adobe Express. Then, look for the Animate Characters option. Once you're here, pick a character that matches your video. Keep the background transparent or match it to the color of the background you're planning on, including in the video so that it blends nicely. Then, upload your 11 Labs voiceover. You might need to do this in 2-minute chunks, as that's the maximum for this tool. Once you've uploaded your voiceover, click Done. Adobe Express will sync the voiceover to the character's mouth movements. You can preview it, and if you're happy, just follow the instructions to download. Step 5. Put everything together. Now it's time to put all our pieces together in CapCut. CapCut is a free, beginner-friendly video editor that has all the features we need. Open CapCut and import your voiceover, Canva animations, and Adobe Avatar video files. Start by dragging the voiceover onto the timeline as your main audio track. Now, add the animated slides from Canva in the order of the script. Adjust each clip to fit with the timing of the voiceover so that every line has visuals that match it. To make the transition smooth, use simple fade-ins and fade-outs, which CapCut has as built-in options. Just click on each clip and add fade effects so it looks smooth, not choppy. Once the visuals and audio are lined up, it's time to add our talking avatar. Insert the avatar clip at the start of each new section, where the avatar introduces the main point or concept. This breaks up the visuals and makes it feel interactive, keeping kids watching for longer. Finally, go to Effects in CapCut and add some light visual effects, like sparkles or glowing stars, to make the video pop. Once you're done, review the entire video from start to finish to make sure it flows naturally. Then, export the final video in high quality, so it looks sharp when you upload it to YouTube. Uploading to YouTube with kids' content best practices. Now, it's time to put your video out into the world. Head to YouTube and click Upload. Select your video file and give it a title that's catchy but straightforward, like Learn About Egyptian Mummies, Fun Facts for Kids. In the description, add a short summary of what kids will learn and include keywords like Egyptian history, kids learning, and fun educational videos. Set the video as made for kids to comply with YouTube's guidelines for children's content. This helps make sure that it's recommended to parents looking for safe educational videos for their kids. Hit publish and your Faceless YouTube video is live. Here's a quick summary of what we've covered today. Research and come up with kids' education videos in your chosen sub-niche. Write a simple, engaging script with ChatGPT. Generate a voiceover with 11 Labs. Design kid-friendly visuals in Canva with animations to keep kids' attention. Create a talking avatar in Adobe Express to add personality. This is optional. Put everything together in CapCut for a smooth, professional final video. With this setup, you're not just creating one video, you're building an automated system that can churn out videos fast. Stick with it, upload consistently, and watch as your Faceless YouTube channel grows. What ideas do you have for your kids' educational channel? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.